Hi, I'm Bill Springer, senior contributor at Forbes. I'm here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show aboard Amigos. It's an Amels 180, and I'm so excited to show it to you because it has two master staterooms that are absolutely off the charts. All right, so here we are, we're in the main salon. Tell us a little bit about this.
Yeah, main salon with right in front of the formal dining, beautiful woodwork throughout the yacht. Amels is just known for building boats that work. You know what you're getting, it's a known product, it's well built, it ticks so many boxes for so many people. Specifically here in the main salon, what is interesting, you got both sliding doors slide open, and on both sides you can open the bulwarks or balconies, so you can create a natural airflow here, should you wish. The original owner was building the boat. He literally ticked off every box, in the option list, because these are all extras. These are not in the standard spec. Even though she's part of a semi-custom series, he customized a lot.
Tell us about what a semi-custom series means.
So it's basically an existing platform that you can not change certain things. For example, the hull shape and the shape of the superstructure are the way they are, but you can change bulkheads. You can change, fabrics. You can change options. You can add, TVs. You can change all those kind of things.
And the semi-custom platform allows a owner to get the yacht much quicker, is that right?
Yeah, because Amels, their business model is starting the boat on speculation to their own risk. They start the build and they are normally always finding a buyer during the building process. We're here on the lower deck, 4 cabins here, 2 doubles and 2 twin singles. So in total she does sleep 12 plus 1 guests in 6 cabins. They all are en suite as well. You got beautiful bathrooms as well throughout. So this is on the Amels series, the 180 series. This is like a flexible area. You can, turn this into a massage room. You can make an extra cabin. You can make an office. This is basically a gym, which has got en-suite facilities, and it's also got a bunk bed, which is folded out. So it could be used as a nanny cabin as well. And the second owner's cabin starts here. A little office space here. And here on your right side, you have the folding down balcony. Nice big bathroom, then the walk-in wardrobe. So here we are actually in the master stateroom, which is a full beam private area. This is the only Amels 180 with this layout, so that makes it truly special. Obviously it was a very big change order during her build, because this is normally the way a Sky Lounge is. Something which makes this boat very special is that you get extended decks, so you get plenty of space. You can either use it as a private deck, or you can just use it as a common space for the rest of the boat and the rest of the guests. So moving up, we go into the sun deck, which you will see is best in class. It's around 28 meters in length, and then we got this massive jacuzzi, and on top of that we got a helipad up to 2,000 kilos. Great big swim platform for water sports. We're basically here in the beach club, where you got a steam room over there and a dayad and a separate shower. Extremely flexible, usable, capable world cruising vessel.
After touring the Amels 180 Amigos here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, all I can say is the next person who gets to charter or own this boat is going to be in for a treat.